Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the oven door switch in your electric range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Open the oven door and use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 2 screws, securing the front of the main top. Pull the main top forward and have an assistant help you to support it. Next, disconnect the oven door switch wire connector. Use pliers to depress the retaining tabs to release the old switch. Install the new oven door switch by snapping it into place in the front panel. Connect the wire connector. Remove the support, then reinstall the main top by inserting the rear panel clips into the support panel slots. Align the rear edges of the main top under the frame clips. Then thread and tighten the front screws. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your electric range should be ready for use.